Hey, welcome back, guys. So here we are in my cousin's garage. We got the truck in here, and today is Friday. We are going to be hopefully painting the car on Sunday here in the garage. We're going to cover it up. We got all the tarps and plastic bags to cover up all the belongings. Today we are starting on the bodywork. So I brought a lot of my stuff from the house. 220. We got some 100s. We got the 60s. Some of the bodywork equipment, a lot of the primers, the stuff we bought yesterday. Rage Extreme is what I use as my body filler. I've always used Rage since day one, but you can use Bondo or, you know, whatever's available to you guys. So I got this door straightened up to the best of my abilities with the feel of my hands. So right here, all the silver is the high spot. And these need to be dinged down a little bit so that way I can do a second layer of filler. Ideally, when I go over it and there's a dent there, this flat block is not going to curve itself into that hole. I'm going to hit the roof and I'm going to hit this quarter. My cousin pretty much took care of all of this side, sanding it all down with 220 grit. Pull this guy out to get this line straight again right there. Here's the little dinks I was talking about. 1, 2, 3. There's a few little long slight dents right here. There's 2 right there. All primed, 2K, 2 coats, nice and smooth. This one right here, just gotta lightly sand off small pinholes. This one right here, completely done. Roof, just need to be slightly sanded off, smooth, and get all of that into primer. We are back in the garage the next day. Got my hot chocolate because I don't drink coffee. We are going to be sanding the car down with 400 grit. Throughout the whole truck. So both sides is done. It's fully dried as well. We don't smell the paint as much anymore. Bang right there. But we got the floor all taped up. We got the walls covering up all the important things in the garage, like the toolbox and all of the daily use stuff. We're gonna do that tomorrow. Not worried about that because, like I said, all that's going to be Linex, nice and warm. But yeah, here on the window, going down. We are back here in the garage for day 3. So today is the day we are going to get down with the base coat and clear coat. All of the black right here are primer, in which we had sand yesterday night. Got it all nicely and smoothed out. Everything is masked up. We went to go fill up the propane tank because we're going to close the garage and heat up the room quite a bit so we can get the paint to lay as evenly as possible. I am setting up the paint gun now. We are using the Harbor Freight $10 paint guns. We got 2 of them, one for base and one for clear. We got the fans right here on each end of the garage door with some homemade filter. We got the bag right in the middle, so we're not like, you know, it kind of defeats the purpose if you leave it open. You know the fan's working when you got a Valspar is a little bit better than Omni and it's less transparent, so we don't have to use a lot of paint to fully cover the surface.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
First coat is on. So here is the third coat, guys. That is freaking awesome.